Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to clean HP Smart Tank printer head, print head cleaning and maintenance guide. Method 1. Clean the print head using the HP Smart app. Step 1. Load plain white paper into the input tray. Step 2. Open the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Step 3. Select your printer and open Tools or Print Quality Tools. Step 4. Click Clean Printhead or Clean. Step 5. Wait for the printer to print a test page. Step 6. Check the print quality. If needed, run the level 2 and level 3 cleaning cycles. Method 2. Clean the printhead from the printer control panel. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for more than 4 seconds. Step 3. While holding power, press the color copy button twice. Step 4. Release the power button to start level 1 cleaning. Step 5. If print quality does not improve, for level 2 cleaning, hold power, press color copy twice and black copy once. For level 3 cleaning, hold power, press color copy twice and black copy twice. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video.